Prime Minister said the massive gathering at the function is clear indication of BJP's growing support in eastern part of the country. He said people have decided to give thumping majority to the NDA in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections.
इतनी विशाल संख्या में आपका यहां आना ये पूरब का मूड दिखाता है। उड़ीसा का संकल्प क्या है ये आज साफ साफ नजर आ रहा है और ये संकल्प है अब की बार 400 पार, अब की बार 400 पार का संकल्प किसान, नौजवान, नारी शक्ति और गरीबों का जीवन बदलने के लिए है।
And DD India correspondent Aisha Khanum is joining us live for more on Prime Minister's visit to Odisha and Telangana. Aisha, put in perspective, how significant are the projects launched today for the development journey of the two states, Odisha and Telangana?
Well, Swendo, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has embarked on a 10-day tour to 12 states, and Telangana and Odisha are one of the major states, Telangana being the southern state. As Prime Minister said in his speech, that Telangana is seen as a gateway for developed India. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision is Viksit Bharat, which means developed India by 2047. And for this vision, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is laying emphasis on developing the infrastructure, on developing and strengthening the states, especially the southern states and the eastern states. Now, Telangana, he has dedicated several road projects and several connectivity projects, which will definitely improve the economic activity on these highways and open up the economic corridors in these highways, reducing time and also help people in reducing the travel time as well. So this is one of the major aspects with regard to connectivity. And when he talks about the inauguration of the Civil Aviation Research Center, this is one of its kind in India, and this is a connectivity as well. And for him, small towns, developing air connectivity in small towns is one of the focus areas. Help bring about research and data analysis of flights and also safety. More safe and also develop the infrastructure for air travel, and also with regard to has remained untapped for several years. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi has dedicated several projects in Odisha also, which means that Odisha will be one of the major states, because Odisha has a large population of tribal population which live in the forest area. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi is connecting the mainstream. So this is one of the emphasis that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is trying to empower the states for, being an important link in his vision for a developed India.
And in the political context, as India heads to the general elections in weeks from now, what is the significance of Prime Minister Modi's eastern and southern push?
Well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's southern push has been, very visible in the last few days, whether he visited Tamil Nadu or Kerala, because Prime Minister is confident about the fact that people in these regions read, the political writing on the wall very clearly, because Kerala is a state which is the most literate state, and Telangana is one of the youngest state which has, youngest state of India, which has, young population. So here, Prime Minister Narendra Modi hopes that the young population, the youth in the state will align with BJP. Remember, in the past few years, BJP has been working hard in this state, because BJP's presence in the state was very weak in Telangana, but BJP's vote share has considerably gone higher in the last assembly elections as well. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi hopes that Telangana will be one of the major states from south which will contribute to his kitty of the 400 seats which he aims to cross in this Lok Sabha election. And as far as Odisha is concerned, remember, BJD, the party in Orissa, which is the largest, which is a party which has been in power for the longest term. This party and the BJP were in alliance for a long time till 2009. But now they had drifted over owing to several reasons. But now Prime Minister Narendra Modi hopes that with this development activities, with the
Right.
vision that he has given to the country, these parties will come together and strengthen his,
Okay.
his vision for a developed India, and therefore that is what he hopes that a certain alliance in Odisha
Okay.
will help BJP cross and reach the target of 400 seats.
Aisha, thank you for those updates.